This might be the coolest water gun I've ever played with. Let me tell you why. Today we're checking out the SpyraTwo water gun. This thing is awesome. It automatically refills itself and there's no pumping required. Now, the Spyra1 was launched as a Kickstarter back in 2018, but the second generation is now fully available for sale on the company's website. It comes in 2 different colors. You have this blue one right here or red, and you can get a single for $174 or a dual pack for $329, which comes with 1 color of each. It kind of looks like a Halo weapon, right? Almost like Master Chief's assault rifle, and I think that's because of this tactical display right here. Out of the box, this thing takes 4 to 5 hours to fully charge the first time, which we did yesterday, and now we're ready to have some fun. All right, so to power it on, you just push the button on the underside of the handle here. And as you can see, the tactical display is now lit up. And to fill the chamber, you just dip the nose in a source of water and push the trigger forward. And as you can hear, it's starting to pull water into the chamber. You can actually stop it at any time in case there's a sneak attack, and then just put it right back in to start filling it up again. It takes about 12 seconds to fully fill on an empty tank. The second generation design helps keep the water in the chamber a little bit better. As you can see, it doesn't leak very much. There's a couple drips here and there when you really force it, but most of the water is staying inside the chamber. SpyraTwo has 2 different types of firing modes. With a single pull of the trigger, you get your single shot. That travels for about 9 meters, and if you pull the trigger and hold it for 3 seconds, it'll charge your power shot, which fires for 14 meters and expels about 3 times the amount of water. Gotta love that beefy sound. Also has a little bit of a kick when you fire it too. Each single shot takes about 5 points off of your ammo display, and each power shot takes about 15. Spyra says that a fully charged battery will get you about 90 tanks of water or 2,000 water blasts, which should be more than enough for a full day of battling. There's 3 bars on the display here, and that indicates your firing rate. You get 3 shots back to back, but after that you have to let it charge a little in between. When you're all done battling for the day, you need to get all the water out of the tank before you can safely store the SpyraTwo. To do that, you fire off your remaining shots, hold the water gun upside down and pull the trigger for about 6 seconds. That's gonna kick on the motor and expel any remaining water. And when it's all done, you should have 2 bars on the indicator to let you know that the tank is empty. Now let's test the accuracy of the SpyraTwo, which seemed pretty good based on some of those early fires, but let's give it the old cup on the wall test. I'm standing about 17 feet from the wall, which isn't too far, but I wanna make sure there's enough pressure to knock over those cups. So let's give it a try. All right, pretty accurate, right? Okay. Now, of course, we have to test the accuracy of the power shot. So what I've done is I've stacked these 5 cups here on the wall. Let's see if the power shot can take them all down in one go. Here we go, charging and firing. Almost all of them. We missed 1 cup, but I'm gonna blame that on user error. There's only one test left to do, and that is to take a shot myself. You should never fire a toy weapon at anybody without knowing how it feels first, so my camera operator Jesse has volunteered to do the honors for me. Jesse, hit me. All right, power shot. Ooh, definitely a little bit of impact, but you know, it's a nice hot summer day, so I'm ready to take more. All right, and that's all I can think to tell you about the SpyraTwo water gun. If I helped you make a decision of whether or not you're gonna buy one, make sure you give this video a nice thumbs up and let me know in the comments whether you're going red or blue. If you haven't already, subscribe to CNET's YouTube channel. We've got great tech videos just about every day of the week. All right, we'll see you in the next one.